Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys today. Thank you so much for all the subscriptions, guys, and the likes and the views you've been giving us lately. We're almost at 4.2K subscribers. Once we reach 10,000 subscribers, we will be giving away $1,000 of Bitcoin. So subscribe now, and let's hop into the video. So the Fear and Greed Index is kind of lightening up. We reached at one point, I believe it was 22 or 21, but now we're at 23. I don't really like to see that. I would like there to be a little bit more fear in the market. I like to see when the fear is increasing, but the price of Bitcoin is rising as well. But you know, the FUD of the entire crypto market is kind of lightening up after the whole FTX drama, the cryptocom drama, which was FUD. It was complete baloney. There was no issues with crypto.com at all, but the influencers wanted to push it and make it and wanted to FUD the project. But guys, we overcame it, and I want to show you how we overcame it. Okay, guys, in the last 24 hours, look at this. Over on my Twitter, I posted this, and you can follow our Twitter in the description box below. In the past 24 hours, Crypto.com net deposits up 191 million. During all of that FUD, Crypto.com is up 191 million in deposits, while Coinbase is down 172, Binance down 144, OKX down 108, KuCoin down 30 million. Guys, all these exchanges are down hundreds of millions of dollars, and what do you know? Crypto.com is up almost $200 million. That is incredible considering all the FUD. All the Crow fam, you guys came together. You showed that no, this FUD is misinformation. We believe in this exchange. We believe in the CEO, Chris, and we trust him, and we trust that he's not misusing our funds, and it's a different business model than the criminal FTX. And you guys showed it right there. Very, very awesome, guys. I love to see that. That's so bullish. Guys, up 191 million in the past 24 hours. That's incredible. So I want to talk about the Crow chart because we're down, but we're up. Off the bottom, the FUD got us all the way down to almost 5 cents, guys. Well, it was 5.7 cents. But guys, it brought us all the way down there, and we came back, and we rallied up to about 38% off the bottom of the peak fear. That is incredible, guys. That is incredible. But now I want to talk about more of the macro because, guys, you know I'm so bullish on Crow. Like we have FIFA.com or FIFA.com. We have the FIFA World Cup coming up in the next week or so, and I will say that there are rumors about Loaded Lion NFT holders should pay attention to the World Cup. That's all I'm hearing, at least. But I don't know why, but that's all I'll say. So let's talk about Bitcoin for a second, because Bitcoin is what is going to bring us back. We beat the FUD. Now we need to slowly rebuild in this market, in these market conditions. And I will say that there are some very, very curious things looming in the charts that I would like to show you guys shortly. So here is the Bitcoin chart. These percentages mark the increases and decreases for the months of November. It's looking like we're going to have a fourth out of the 8 Novembers. It looks like it's going to be a downward month, obviously, because of all the ridiculous FUD. I really believe that if this whole FTX debacle didn't blow up, we would be trading around 25, 30K right now, considering the CPI numbers and how bullish the stock market is reacting right now towards a rumor of a pivot. But that's nor here nor there. We'll be able to know more about that in the coming months if Jerome decides to actually pivot. But I want to also show you guys that the shorts have increased a huge amount. Right here indicates the money coming into the shorts, and this right here indicates shorts either closing out or being liquidated, and they're coming back up. We want these shorts to come up, guys. We want lots of shorts. So it incentivizes the market makers to liquidate them so that we have a short squeeze and start some crazy momentum on the Bitcoin price. That's what we want to see. But now let me show you guys a very interesting chart. I found this in the chart, and I thought it was very interesting. So here is the 2017 bull run. Here is the 2021, 2020 bull run for Bitcoin. And I want to show you a very interesting thing here. So right here is kind of the bottom. It was the bottom. And then we started increasing. This was the 365 days from the halvening, just to keep in mind. But tell me if you see some similarities here, guys. From here to here, I want to draw this out for you, and you tell me if you see what I see here. I thought this was very, very interesting. So we're going to bring it from here to here. We're going to copy this chart right here. Do you guys think people would be ready for something like this? For something like this, guys? I don't know. It looks awfully similar to this market cycle over here. If this were to happen, guys, I think that would blow people's minds. But I think nobody's ready for it. And when people aren't ready, that's usually what happens. When everybody thinks something's going to happen, it usually doesn't when it comes to the crypto markets. It's very curious. I just think that that's very interesting. Look, you even have the retest. I mean, it could happen. I think that would be really, really ridiculous. If this were to happen, the altcoins would have a ridiculous rally, and I think right here is when the altcoins are going to start running. And for CRO, I mean, if Bitcoin, I mean, look at this, guys. That's like, if we just break out of this, that's 40K. When Bitcoin's back at 40K, oh my gosh, CRO is going to be flying. And especially when we break like 60, when we break previous all-time highs, when we go into price discovery mode again. I mean, if we were to just copy this run up right here, that brings us to $150,000 Bitcoin. $150,000 Bitcoin, that brings CRO up minimum to $1. I mean, that was the previous all-time high. Guys, Chris is burning coins. Like, there's so much bullish stuff for cryptocom. And if you couple that with Bitcoin going to 150K, I mean, I think that's just incredible. But that's some hopium for you guys. I mean, like the comment or like the video if you think this if this is curious right here. I think this is pretty curious. But guys, if you stuck around this far, please give me a like, subscribe. If you want some free money, just check in the description box below. Crypto Kip and I just opened up a Patreon. We're going to be posting videos there and going to be posting basically a place we want to create a community for you guys to tell us what you want to see on the channel and just kind of some behind the scenes. So if you like that, check it out. And we're going to have lots of new tiers opening up. So thanks so much, guys. Bye.